All right, I'm going to demonstrate what I might do in a hunting situation, just kind of calling sequences that I might use. And I'm going to do something a little different than what others may do. A lot of times I'll switch it up by running a couple different diaphragm calls to try to get a couple different hens. So we'll start off, maybe this turkey's right after daylight, he's on the ground, and I'm trying to get his attention and pull him to me. And then I'm going to throw a different call in there and give him just a little different hen sound. Just trying to do some different things to maybe convince him to come see me.